It worked! Hey, how about growing yourself some arms and legs so we can be friends and play together? So much for that. But do you think you could play ping pong? That's easy, right? Stop! Get back here! Huh? He did it! Who wants to play ping pong? Mousy? All alone. Again. Everyone had someone to play with them. Everyone except me. Well, I don't want to be friends with those boring goody two-shoes. I'm a cool guy. I need a friend who's just as cool as me.
Oh.
Huh?
Guys, look! It moved! Oh, Molly. No, no, no. I think you've done it, Sloppy. You've made a goo that can change its shape.
Now, you just need to figure out how to get it to do that on its own. It's so soft.
Yep, and the reason is because if it was hard, it wouldn't be able to change its shape.
Maybe you should take a break.
Ollie's right. You've been working day and night on this. If you keep working while you're tired, an accident might happen.
You can come back when you're wide awake and full of zip.
If Sloppy made me using that goo, then maybe I can make myself a friend from it too. He'd be the perfect friend for me.
The imp, who's that imp? The imp, so bad, so mean. The imp, here he comes. When he shows up, he ruins all our fun. He's always tricking, he's always creeping. He's the meanest thing you've ever seen. The imp, who's that imp? What will he be? What will he do? He's gonna play a trick on you.
It worked! Hey, how about growing yourself yourself some arms and legs so we can be friends and play together. So much for that. But do you think you could play ping pong? That's easy, right? Stop! Get back here! Huh? He did it! Hey, this isn't my fault. If you hadn't made me and then left me all alone, maybe I wouldn't need to break in here to make myself a new friend.
You wanted to make yourself a friend?
Yeah, and I wanted to make him just like me.
2 imps in a leapolis? I'm not sure I like the sound of that.
Stay away from that. It's dangerous.
Give it back!
You don't understand. We've got to get rid of this before it hurts someone.
Are you sure? It looks kind of harmless.
Let's get this goo away from the imp. It really seems to be upsetting him.
Oh no! It must have been the cold water! It's stopping me from changing my shape! Come back! That thing is bad news!
It can move on its own. What's happening to it? No, Ollie! Don't touch it! It's covered in chemicals. If any of it gets on your hand, who knows what might happen? Yeah. Good thinking, Sloppy. We should always use gloves if we're working with chemicals.
But these gloves are made of cloth. The chemical will soak right through it.
It's time to go to Sloppy's workshop. Using shapes and using tools, he'll save the day. Come on to Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy build a circle, Sloppy build a square. You can do it, Sloppy. Let's go to Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy's workshop.
All right. With these waterproof rubber gloves, the chemicals won't get on my hands.
You won't even have to touch them if you use these metal claws. But at least it's gone.
Let's hope it stays that way.
Look, you don't have to worry about not having any friends, because if you want, you can hang out with us anytime.
Oh, ta-da!
Wow, what a day we had! Today, we saw an irregular shaped blob. It was soft and stretchy, which allowed it to change into different shapes. And if you're working with chemicals, never touch them with your bare hands. Always use rubber waterproof gloves because some chemicals could really hurt you if they get on your skin. So remember, no matter how important your work is, get enough rest and work safe. I love Ollie. I can't wait to see what will
purple goo has got to be somewhere. If it fell into the drain, it's got to be in the sewers. But where?
Alipus, I'll make you pay.
Who's that? I'll tell the others.
Happiness. Yeah.
Huh? 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 Huh?
Can I do that? I have a superpower. And now I will take my revenge on this wretched town by making everyone in it miserable.
Everybody, one at a time.
Somebody's been playing tricks on us. Mean tricks. And I've got a pretty good idea who it is. Look at this.
It's a purple shapeshifter.
Yeah, and we all know somebody who fits that description, don't we?
Guys! I saw something strange coming out of the sewers. Is this a bad time?
Don't play innocent. We know you've been pranking us and turning us against our friends.
Huh? It wasn't me.
Wait, look, that shapeshifter is here. But so is the imp, so he can't be the prankster.
Please. The imp is sneaky enough to be in two places at one time. I say we get rid of this pesky purple troublemaker once and for all. I bet your box could zap the imp so far away that he couldn't play pranks on us ever again. Don't you want to make our town a better place?
Uh-huh. Aha! Yeah. Huh? Huh? It's him! It's the purple goo!
Call me Stimp, and with this gadget, I'll zap away the things that you all love most, so that you'll be miserable, just like me. Say goodbye to your brother!
We've got to stop Stimp.
But with the alien's box, he's unstoppable.
Maybe not. If Stimp is made of the same purple goo that I am, we might have the same weakness. I found out that when I touch anything cold, I can't move or transform. Oh, no.
So maybe we can stop Stimp from causing more trouble by getting him to chill out.
Let's put Stimp on ice. Cool.
Freeze, Stimp. You're outnumbered.
We'll see about that. Uh-oh.
Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy build a circle, Sloppy build a square. You can do it, Sloppy. Let's go to Sloppy's workshop. Sloppy's workshop.
Maybe we don't have to use ice cubes. Iced water might work, and it'll go a lot further.
But will it be cold enough?
Of course! We could build an ice water cannon and add salt to it.
Salt? But how's that gonna cool Stimp down?
Adding salt to ice melts the ice into water, but it also makes the water super cold. We'll show you. Now check this out.
Whoa! Let's see if it works on them.
Let's see you try that.
Huh?
Quick, Sloppy! Why don't you take a chill pill, Stimp?
We're going to put him in cold storage, so he won't make trouble for our town ever again.
We did it!
Just barely. But somehow, I don't think we've seen the last of Stimp.
Hey, if he ever comes back, can we count on you to help us save Alepolis?
Just call me. I'll be there.
But how do we find you?
Huh? Wow, that's really cool. Imp, where did he go?
I don't know, but I'm sure glad he's on our side. At least, for now. Wow, what a day we had! We learned that when ice melts, it turns into water. We also learned that salt makes ice melt. But it also makes the iced water super cold. And when the super cold water touches ice, it freezes back up again. I love Alepolis. I can't wait to see what will happen tomorrow.
We're coming home.